Smart Cities, Integrating Technology for Urban Development in India. Transforming India, one smart city at a time. The Smart Cities mission, launched in 2015, is making significant strides. Seamless connectivity is the backbone of smart cities, linking people, devices, and services. As of 7th July 2023, 100 smart cities have issued work orders for 7,978 projects. The government's commitment is evident with the release of 73,454 crore rupees and an impressive 90% utilization, amounting to 66,023 crore rupees. As 100 smart cities evolve, they've utilized 90% of the allocated funds, marking a steadfast commitment to India's urban development. Surat city from Gujarat has topped the charts in India in SCM rankings for 2023. Along with it, Agra, Bhopal, Ahmedabad, and Varanasi is next in line. Become a key player in this innovative career and contribute to building the cities of tomorrow.